दोस्तों नमस्कार। आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 8 की मैथमेटिक्स में चैप्टर 8 कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटी पर चर्चा करने वाले हैं। तो आइए हमारे इस वीडियो का आनंद उठाइए और अपने ज्ञान को बढ़ाइए। So first of all, I want to tell you that about the percentage. What do you mean by percentage? The word percent means per 100 or out of 100. Means ये परसेंटेज का मीनिंग होता है कि 100 में कितना वैल्यू। तो 100 से जो वैल्यू होता है उसी को हम कहते हैं परसेंटेज। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 25% means 25 out of 100 and it is written as 25 by 100. And for the second example 63% means 63 out of 100, that is 63 divided by 100. Now the symbol for percent stand for 100, that is represented as 1 by 100. 1 by 100 means percentage. This is the symbol. Okay, so you know about the symbol, that is the percentage stand for 1/100th, that is 1 by 100. Means if you replace the symbol, then you will write in that place 1 by 100, and if you replace 1 by 100, then you put the symbol of percent. Now here cost price. What do you mean by cost price? And this is written as in the short form CP. So what is the CP? The price at which an article is purchased by a dealer is called cost price. Means एक दुकानदार जिस कीमत पर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को खरीदता है उसको हम कहते हैं कॉस्ट प्राइस. After that, selling price, in the short form you can write it as SP. So what do you mean by selling price? The price at which an article is sold by a dealer is called its selling price. Means एक दुकानदार किसी भी वस्तु को जितनी कीमत पर बेचता है उसको हम कहते हैं selling price. Now profit, how can you find the profit and what is the profit? So if the selling price of an article is more than its cost price, then the dealer makes a profit. Means अगर एक दुकानदार किसी भी वस्तु को ज्यादा कीमत पर बेचता है तो उसको हम प्रॉफिट कहते हैं. ठीक है. So profit equal to selling price minus cost price. How can you calculate the profit? That is profit equal to selling price minus cost price. After that loss. What do you mean by loss? If the selling price of an article is less than its cost price, then the dealer suffer a loss. Means अगर किसी दुकानदार ने किसी भी वस्तु को कॉस्ट प्राइस से कम कीमत पर बेच दिया तो उसको लॉस होगा. एंड हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द लॉस? लॉस इक्वल टू कॉस्ट प्राइस माइनस सेलिंग प्राइस, दैट सीपी माइनस एसपी. ओके, सो नाउ मूविंग फॉर नेक्स्ट, हाउ कैन यू कैलकुलेट द कॉस्ट प्राइस एंड द लॉस? Here is the first question. A shopkeeper buys a TV for rupees 11,000 and sell it at rupees 12,100. Then he makes a profit. His profit, how can you find? So dear, here you can write the profit equal to rupees 12,100 minus this is the cost price, that is rupees 11,000. So he will get the total profit rupees 1,100. Means profit equal to selling price minus cost price, and here is the selling price is rupees 12,100 and the cost price of the television is 11,000. So the profit equal to rupees 12,100 minus 11,000, that is you will get, that is the shopkeeper will get the profit of rupees 1,100. Now how can you calculate the, so here is the question, a shopkeeper buy a television for rupees 11,000, मीन्स वही शॉपकीपर है, उस टेलीविजन को उसने 11,000 में खरीदा एंड सेल इट एट रुपीज 10,000 और 10,000 रुपए में बेच दिया। देन द सफर्स ए लॉस, क्योंकि उसने खरीदा ज्यादा पैसे में था और बेच दिया कम अमाउंट में, तो उसको लॉस होगा। सो हाउ कैन यू कैलकुलेट द लॉस? दैट इज लॉस इक्वल टू selling price minus cost price. It means cost price minus selling price, CP minus SP. That is 11,000 minus 10,000. That is equal to rupees 1,000. He get the loss of rupees 1,000. Okay, now moving for next. Enjoy the video. Calculation of profit and loss. How can you calculate the profit and loss percent and profit percent also? So dear, profit equal to profit percent into CP. CP means cost price divided by 100. This is the formula to calculate the profit. And how can you calculate the profit percent? Yes, profit percent equal to profit into 100 divided by cost price, and you mark the symbol percent. Okay, so this is the percentage of profit, and keep in your mind that always you will find the profit percent and loss percent at the cost price only. मतलब आप cost price को हमेशा डिनोमिनेटर में रखेंगे, चाहे आप loss percent पता करें या फिर profit percent पता करें। Now how can you calculate the loss? Loss equal to loss percent into cost price divided by 100. And loss percent equal to loss into 100 divided by cost price, and mark the symbol of percent. So these are the most important formula to calculate the loss percent, profit percent, loss and profit also. Now moving for next, here is the question to find the profit and profit percent. Let us question: a dealer buy a watch of for rupees 550 and sell it for rupees 667. Find his profit and profit percent. It is clear that the cost price is less than the selling price. It means dealer always get the profit, because here cost price of the watch equal to rupees 550 and selling price of the watch equal to rupees 667. Therefore profit equal to SP minus CP, means rupees 667 minus rupees 550. This equal to rupees 87, means dealer get the profit of rupees 87. Now how can you find the percent of this? Yes, this is the formula to find the percent of profit. Profit percent equal to profit into 100 divided by cost price, and this is profit is 87 and into 100 divided by cost price means this is 550. On calculating it, we will get 15%. So he will get the profit 15%. Now take another question for find the loss. So here is the question: Ravi bought a bicycle for rupees 1,200 and sold it for rupees 11,104. Find his loss and loss percent. Why? Because Ravi purchased his bicycle at rupees 1,200. 1,200 में उसने खरीदा and he sell it 1,104 में बेच दिया। तो उसने खरीदा ज्यादा में था और बेच कम पैसे में दिया, इसका मतलब उसे लॉस हुआ। तो लॉस कैसे पता करोगे? यस, कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ बाइसिकल इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 1,200 एंड द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ द बाइसिकल इज रुपीज 1,104. Therefore loss equal to CP minus SP, and this is rupees 1,200 minus rupees 1,104. दिस गिव्स रुपीज 96, उसको 96 का लॉस हो गया. तो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द परसेंट ऑफ लॉस? So this is the formula to find the loss percent, that is loss into 100 divided by cost price. Keep in mind that in all times you will put in the denominator, that is cost price. हमेशा loss और profit का परसेंट cost price पर ही पता किया जाता है, इस चीज को याद रखेंगे. So you will get profit loss equal to 96 into 100 divided by cost price is 1200. So on simplifying it, we will get 8%, means Ravi got the loss of 8%. Now moving for next here, question number 1 of the exercise 8.1 of the class 8 NCERT book. So here the question number 3, that is convert 3:4 in the percentage. How can you find the percent in 3:4? 3:4 को परसेंट में कैसे चेंज करेंगे? So let us enjoy the video and see the solution. So dear, you can write this 3:4 as 3/4, and now we will multiply here by 100 and divide by 100. So what you get, that is 3 into 100 divided by 4. This 100 we write in the near of 3, and this divide by 100 we will write it as 1/100, and you will get it as 3 into 100, that is 300 by 4. And you know that very well, 1/100, this is the value of percentage, because you know that percent equal to 1/100. So you will write here in the place of 1/100 equal to this symbol. Now you simplify it. 4 7 ja 28, and you will get remainder 2, now 0, so 20. 4 5 are 20, so this is 75, means that is 3:4 in the percent equal to 75%. So this is the answer of this question. So here is the question number 4. A football team won 10 matches out of the total number of matches they played. If their win percentage was 40, then how many matches did they play in all? तो यहाँ पर टोटल जो मैच जीते गए हैं वो 10 है, और जीते गए मैचों का जो परसेंटेज है वो 40 है. तो दोनों बातें एक ही हैं, जो 10 मैच जीते गए हैं वो 10 है, और परसेंटेज जो 40% दिया हुआ है वो भी 10 मैचों का ही दिया है. एंड क्वेश्चन सेज दैट हाउ मेनी मैचेस डिड दे प्ले इन ऑल, तो कितने मैच खेले गए हैं इस बात की हमें जानकारी करनी है. सो वी विल टेक द टोटल नंबर ऑफ मैचेस बी x. ओके, so first of all we will write the given things. Number of matches win equal to 10, and percentage of win matches equal to 40, and let the number of matches be x. Then according to the question, 40% of x equal to 10, because 40% मैच जीते गए हैं और वो कितने हैं, 10 हैं. तो हमने तुरंत लिखा 40% इक्वल टू 10. तो 40% किसी का तो होगा, तो वो मैंने x ले रखा है. सो 40% ऑफ x इक्वल टू 10. देयरफॉर परसेंट मीन्स by 100. So 40/100 into x of means x, so equal to 10. And now transpose to all. So here 0 and 0 cancel into the left side, you can say it is 0 and 0 cancel. Now transpose 4/10 to right hand side, then 10 just here in the denominator will goes into the numerator, and 4 just here in the numerator, so it goes to denominator. So 10 by into 10 will get 100 and by 4. So you can cancel it. 4 2 ja 8. Now remainder is 2. So 2 and 0 20 and 4 5 is 25. Therefore total number of matches are 25, and in 25 matches 10 matches win, that is 40% can be win. So you can check your answer. 25 of 40%, this is 25 into 40 by 100. So you will get 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100 and 4 10 ja 50. So you will get 40% of 25 equal to 10. So this is your answer. So friends, तो दोस्तों हमारा ये वीडियो अंत तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।